Initially what it came up with, you'll see here, is it told me that the restraint trade and business sale agreements are more likely to be enforced than those in employment contracts. Now, again, having experience in this area, that just didn't sit quite well with me. So that sort of forced me to go and do some more research for myself and also look at some of the cases. And so then I sort of queried it, and it's really important that you query it and basically challenge your AI, but in a friendly and polite fashion for when they take over the world like Terminator 2. But that's another story. So basically it came back to me, and it basically said that they're more likely to enforce one where there's a sale of business, or there's a different test when there's a sale of business as opposed to employment. So then I asked it whether any of the cases, do any of the cases that I cited below, do they change its answer? But it doubled down. It doubled down. And it basically said that it generally supports the initial advice. I don't know if you can call that doubled down, but it certainly didn't realize the error that it had made. So then I thought, okay, how about I give it an even more specific prompt? So what I cited a decision of the New South Wales Court of Appeal, recent decision, and I said, does this suggest that there's actually no difference between the considerations of restraint in employment and a business contract? And you'll see that that's statement, as with all law, you know, it's just different shades of grey, 50 or more. Yeah, but basically what it realized is when I cited that and when I sort of prompted it a bit more, it cited